What a weekend. Nilinis kami ng bahay and I have to unbox some of the gifts na para matapon na yung mga gift wrappers and all. And I'll show you here some of the gifts that I received over the weekend. Ta-da! Diba? Even the gifts are so colorful. It's so nice. Tapos yung mga bouquet. Thanks, Chris, and thanks to my team for the bouquet. I love it. Super, super love it. So, let's unbox the gifts na. Let's open the first one. This is from Eds and Chris to Cutie. Thank you, Eds and Chris. And happy birthday, Chris! Birthday din niya. Magka-birthday ka ni March 16. So, happy birthday to us. So, na-open ko na to over the weekend. Bigay kasi sa akin last Friday. And, na-open ko na siya. Tanggal ko siya sa plastic. And ito siya. It's so cute. So, alam na alam talaga ni Eds na I'm a sucker for orange things. So nice. At ang haba niyo. Diba? So, diba? Madam tayo dito. Okay, akin na ang inyong mga kapalaran, aking huhulaan. Charot. I love it. Kasi, ang weird ng panahon yun, no? Parang lumamig ulit. So, sobrang magagamit to. Love it. Thanks, Eds. Thanks, Chris. Yellow na din naman yung nakuha ko. So, yellow na din yung i-open natin. This is from Tita Annie and Tito Mark. What's this? It's Rose Ready to Party. 717 IMP, Rose Ready to Party, NCC. From Mutiso. I suppose this is a, what? A bango? Okay, perfume. It's a perfume from Mutiso. Wow! Ang ganda! Ang cute ng box. I mean, yung bottle. Oh, di ba? It's so cute. May naalala ko. Charot! Ang cute niya. Oh, at least hindi siya nagkakalat ng glitters. How do I open? Ayun. At magnetic. I love it. Magnetic siya. Ah, diba? It's so nice. Wait, let's spray. As a sweet girl ako nito. Sweet girl. Sweet girl ang atake ko. Love it. Tita Annie, thank you so much, Tito Mark. Love, love. Bango. Okay. Rose Ready to Party. Ready to Party. So, gagamitin ko lang siya. I'll wear this kapag I'll go partying. And this is what? Wait lang, baka siya lumobo. Hindi ba ito sasabog? Aloe Vera Makeup Remover Cleansing Wipes. Thank you so much. From Mutiso din. This is from Ate Keng, Kuya Adrian. Thank you so much for this. I think ito panloob to na ano, na open ko na din to actually. Pero hindi ko na sukat yung mga bagay-bagay. This is from Zara. Panloob na blouse. And ang ganda ng color. Actually, parang halos parehas ng tela ng suot ko ngayon. Pero magagamit ko ito pang loob kasi sobrang body hugging ng kanyang tela. I can't wear it outside. So, pwede namang pang-loob ng... Basta may layering na magaganap dito. But, nagtatanong kasi sila kung kasha. It's kasha. Even if hindi ko pa nasusukat, I know that it's kasha. Thank you so much! And this is from Tita Noemi, Tita Dek. And, since, parang lately, napapadalas kasi sila na pupunta here sa Cavite. From Manila sila. And naispiyahan niya yung mga pabango ko dito. And alam niya na sa aficionado ako ay F51. So, bango. Love it. I love it. Halo-halo na yung amoy ko dito. Pero, I so love Aficionado F51. Thank you, Tita. And I think it's a high time for me to have a refill. Kasi yung isa kong bottle doon, ubos na. Naubos na siya. So, alam niya na wala na. Kaya ito yung binili niya for me, diba? Bongga. Dito kasi sila lagi natutulog sa room ko kapag nandito sila sa Cavite. And may free pa na kasama. Thank you, Tita. Thank you, Tito. Thanks, R and Demi. Ito, even, ang ganda. Sobrang gusto ko yung mga, aking mga, what do you call this, gift wrappers na natanggap. This is from Soto Family. From Jodel, Ashanti, Ashton, and Kuya Evan. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. At pinunit ko na siya. What's this? Oh, cute! It's a bag charm. Sabi ko, well, it's a bag charm. It's indeed a bag charm. Pwede siyang isabit sa bag. Pero, it's actually a lip balm. Ang cute niya. Oh, ayan o. Akala ko bag charm lang, but it's a lip balm pala. So nice. Wait, how do I open? Tinitwist siya. Cute. Ang bango. Ang cute niya. Sana hindi malaglag yung takip nito. Well, feeling ko naman secured naman siya. And, it's nice na hindi na siya mag-take ng space sa loob ng bag. Kasi, basta siya. Diba? Isasabit na lang. But how do I close this? Oh my God, paano ko ito i-close? Diba? Parang feeling ko sinira ko na. Hindi, ayun pala. Kalma. Baby, kalma. Oh, diba? Hindi na siya mag-take ng space sa loob ng bag. Pwede mo na siyang isabit sa labas ng bag. And, or even sa wallet. Or sa maliit kong bag. Basta isasabit siya somewhere. Or pwede din doon, sa door. Sa door na lang. Ayun, sabit siya doon. Pero kasi it's lip balm. Thank you, Soto Family. Belated happy birthday, Ashan. Love you guys. Wait lang, ito pa pala, may pahabol pa pala ang Renomeron Family. Binigyan niya ako nitong travel size na Scandal. Bango nito. This is a travel size bottle. And sobrang cute ng bottle. I don't know how to pronounce it, pasensya na. Look at the bottle. Diba? Very scandalous talaga. Ito siya. Very scandalous ang kanyang bote. And ang bango. Pero, hindi tayo matatapos sa third na pabango kasi meron pa tayong fourth na pabango. Feeling ko, hindi na niya binalot kasi alam na niyang ito talaga yung in-expect kong regalo from her. This is from Ate Daryl. So, Madam, thank you so much for your United Colors of Benetton Hot. I think is this the last pabango sa stash na yon? I think this is the last one. And this is the Victoria's Secret Bear Eau de Parfum. Ang saya lang. sobrang happy ko. Si Mami kasi, si Mama, sobrang sweet. So, binilan niya ako nito. And hindi naman ako nag-ask pa ng gift from her. Pero she just want to give me something. And thank you. I love you. Thank you so much. Now, moving on. Spray ko ba? Wag na muna. Gusto ko siyang itago. Itatago ko muna. Hindi ko na gagamitin. Kasi ang dami pang mga bukas na doon. What's the next one? This is from Team Padilla. Thank you so much, Ate Peach. Kuya Padi, Sky, Maxine, thank you so much for this. Wait, tanggalin ko lang muna. Gusto na samayin ko. And sabi nila, pupunitin. Huh? Is it a bag? Well, cute! Alam kasi nilang nahihilig akong lumabas-labas na tote bag ang gamit. Kaya, bigas nito. Ang cute! O diba sobrang, nagko-compliment siya sa suot ko ngayon. This is a gentlewoman tote. Ang saya, may pocket din siya sa loob na maliit. So, pwede yung mga coins. Ang ganda ng kulay! Good! Thank you, Ate Peach! Thank you, Kuya Padi! Thank you so much! I love it! What else? Oh, this is from JK. Thank you, JK! Sobrang cute nito. Na-open ko na yung paper bag. Pero, like, what's inside, I haven't pa. And, alam ni JK na ako ay adik sa brain box. Thank you so much for this! What's this? Flowers and shadows. So, 52 toys. Disney Princesses. Disney Princess lang. Oh, yung Disney Princesses. Pero kasi Disney Princesses to. So, nandito si Ariel, si Mulan, si Belle, si Snow White, si Cinderella. And this is what? This is not Cinderella. This is Sleeping Beauty. And this is Cinderella. What is it tangled? Charot. Sino kayong secret? Hindi ko naman secret. Yeah, this is Sleeping Beauty. This is Aurora. Sino gusto ko? Well, ang gusto ko ay si Ariel. I like Ariel. But kung may next option, si Mulan na lang, si Mulan. Pero prior si Ariel and then si Mulan. Well, of course, prior yung secret. Kasi kung sino man siya, sana si sana si Tangled. Hindi ko alam kasi yung wow, the transparent cover is removable and the product comes with a built-in ambient light. Battery is not included. Ano kayong battery nito? Sana double A. Sana rechargeable siya. Charot. I-open ko na ba? I-open ko na kasi kailangan ko naman mag-throw away ng mga kalat. Pagagalitan ako pag makalat yung room ko. Which is, makalat siya ngayon. Okay. Hindi na kagalan. Late. Well, ngayon ako ganun. May ganito siya. So, yellow na rose. So, is this Belle? Is this Belle? Ang ginagawa. Ang cute naman! Ay, ang ganda! Velvet yung si Belle nga! It's so cute! Ano kaya yung niya? Battery is not included. So, I doubt na it's gonna open. And, kailangan pa siyang screwdriver. Pag ganun. Ilan kaya to? Well, judging by the size, mukhang this is AAA. And tingnan niyo yung details wait, hold on. Ang ganda! Si Belle. Love it. Thank you, JK. I love it. Pero kaya itong ayun, sabi ko na nga, meron siya. It comes with a card. Si Belle. And then instruction na parang hindi naman din kahirap intindihin. Kasi Chinese lang naman siya. Pero parang feeling ko, wala na akong kailangang i-get. Get ko naman kung paano siya nag-work. Thanks, JK. Meron pa ba akong na-miss na gift? May isa pa. Okay, may dumating. Pahabol before we close the day. We end the day. Cute ang balot niya. Look, it's so spring, it's so mix. Yellow, it's green, it's blue, it's orange. More importantly, ang ganda. Sobra. And, yung messages. Hindi ko alam kung ganito na. Tinali ko lang ng ganito kasi parang dumating siya. Kung ko alam sinubunutan natin ito yung Lala Move yung ribbon. Basta nagulo na yung ribbon niya. Pero ito yung mga messages nila. My God, my friends talaga. My best friends never fail to surprise me. Sige, basahin natin. As I always remind you, I'll always be your yellow, just as you are mine. I'll never get tired of being your clingy and jealous BFF. Thank you for showing me that soulmates can exist in friendships too. Mahal kita, happy birthday, and my constant prayer is that you always get the desires of your heart. Your twin soul. Thank you, Ella. Love you. Happy birthday, Tuti. Wala akong ibang hiling kundi kasiyahan ng puso mo. Lagi ako nandito para sa'yo. Mahal kita, Erin. Oh, thank you, Erin. Si Ethel. Ito, from Ethel. Wait. Happiest birthday, Vincent Allen. Grabe, Vincent Allen talaga. Back in college, I remember I was asked to do a video greeting for you kahit naman hindi tayo close doon and wish that one day we'd become real friends. Funny how life works. Not only we became friends, but you've become one of my main people. I'm so grateful for you, for the friendship, for all the happy memories. I truly wish you all the happiness and all the things that make you smile. You deserve all the good things in life kasi you're such a good daughter, sister, and friend. I love you so much, Batoots. Love it. Oh, you're gonna make me cry. Chinese. From Chacha. So proud of all that you've achieved in life. Thank you for always being being our happy pill and for the gift of your friendship. Wishing you more success. Akala ko stress. Wishing you more stress. Charot. Wishing you more success, happiness, and blessings ahead. Love you. Chacha, I miss you all. Oh my God. Sobrang busy this past few weeks. We haven't been meeting talaga. So, this is such a surprise. At ang gaganda ko sa mga pictures na pinili nila. So, panalo kayo dyan. Love it. This is Tuti approved. Charot. Sige na, bubuksan ko na kasi they're requesting to see my reaction dun sa video. So, since mag-react na din naman ako sa regalo nila, depende sa kung anong regalo nila, I might post this publicly online. Pero kung something to, baka hanggang dun lang sa message yung makita nyo. Or at least somewhere in this duration. So, or baka naman I'll show my reaction, pero I'll not show the item. Kinakabahan ako kasi kung anong laman. Okay, wait. Okay. Not sure kung sabi nila diba punitin para mapalitan. So, pupunitin ko ito ng bongga. Okay, hindi siya napulit. Ay, ang tigas. Ang tibay. Ayun. Hello? OA! Bakit ang OA? Bakit parang taon? Alam mo, as years go by, pa-OA ng pa-OA yung regalo nyo. Oh my God, I feel so undeserving of this. Ano ba ito? Grabe! Totoo ba ito? Well, baka box, pero if these are shoes, OA, grabe talaga. And wait, paano kung shoes to? Tapos yung pa ako, grabe. Guys, grabe. Grabe kasara. Charot. Ito ba? Shoes to? Over. Totoong shoes. Totoong shoes siya. Bakit ganito? Totoong shoes siya. Nakakainis! Pinatatakbo niya ba ako? Charot. Well, nagja-jogging naman ako. Pero grabe naman. Hoy! Nakakainis. Parang taon-taon, you're trying to outdo yourselves, guys. Nakakainis naman. Bakit ganun? Feeling hindi ko siya deserve. Pero grabe. Hoy! Thank you. I love you all. So parang lalong wala na akong reason na mag-stay sa bahay kasi alam ko naman sa bahay ko to suotin. Nakakainis kayo? Hey! Thank you. I love you.